Alright, YouTube, I got a big package in the mail. Let's open it up. This is from JRL. Oh, JRL. Alright, let's see what we have here. Alright, we got some clippers, some JRL clippers. I don't know what this is. It's a box, but let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, we have, obviously, it's another clipper. It's another clipper. I don't really know what these are. It's Fresh Fade 1040. We're gonna try that out. Alright, so we got some, what is this? Like a smock. Got another bag or so right here. Oh snap, it's a bunch of stuff in here. We got the trimmers. Alright, and then we got, what is this? Oh, this is a blow dryer. What? Got a blow dryer. Shout out to JRL, man. Shout out to JRL. And we have a hot comb. Listen. Okay. All right. Thank you. Then we got a duster thingy here. Blades. All right. Then we got some combs. Definitely got some combs. Last but not least, we have the JRL mat. All right. I suspect that this right here is basically magnetic. Let me try. Hold on. Let's just. Okay, it's magnetic. Like I said, you know, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. Is this magnetic? No. All right, 6 spots. Magnetic little things to where you can put your clippers on. I am gonna be using this and exchanging it out. So yeah, shout out to JRL for sending this over. I'm gonna be opening all this up probably like in the next video. This is just too much to open right now. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Alright you guys, so we're gonna talk about enhancements real quick. Alright, I know, relax, okay? To some people, enhancements are like, bro, why are you using enhancements? I understand that. Relax, okay? Take a chill. Some people like using enhancements, some people don't. Alright, I respect both sides, okay? I see why people don't like using enhancements. I see why people using enhancements, alright? But one thing you cannot deny is the effects of using enhancements. It does enhance. Little disclaimer out there for all my students out there, all right? I, for one, feel like you shouldn't use enhancements if you're going to school. If you just learned how to cut hair, a beginner, any sort of rookie-isms, I think you should just not use enhancement. The reason why I say that is because it'll take away from the skill of actually finishing and mastering out a real haircut. You want to master the cut first before you start using enhancements and trying to cover up what you think is not perfected. Sometimes as a student, you don't really get to reach your full maximum potential until after you get out of barber school. So make sure that you're trying to perfect the craft as much as possible before you start using enhancements. You should basically be mastered your fades and your lineups before you start using enhancements. All right, you guys, so now that that's out of the way, you guys are probably gonna ask me what product are you using as far as enhancements. The product that I'm using is called Kiss Express Black. There are other colors for this enhancements, but I prefer black, okay? That just goes on. Most people have black hair, and if they don't, I usually just don't use enhancements. All right, so another thing that you're gonna need is a gun and an air compressor. Let me take you over here to where it is. So this is what the air compressor looks like right here. I basically got this off of Amazon. I just put in air compressor and this one popped up. You don't need to get one that it's this big, all right? You don't have to get them this big. I just like the pressure that this one gives. But yeah, other than that, there's different kinds. You can get cordless kinds. Tomb 45 have theirs. You also have to buy a gun compressor as well, all right? This right here, there's nothing really too special about this one. So I'll make sure to put all of these links in the description so you guys can pick it up if you do decide that you want one just like this. This I'll put in the description as well. Other than that, it's all about mixing and applying after that. Now when it comes to mixing the these products, I like to mix 50-50, all right? 50% alcohol and 50% Kiss Express. Now, what I do is I'll pour half of this out until here. I'll keep pouring until I feel that it's halfway. After I do that, it feels about halfway. So what I'll do is I'll screw off the top, grab my alcohol, and pour until it's almost at the top. Now you can use any aftershave or alcohol that you choose. I just choose this one. It doesn't really, it's not like a special, you know, any special one or anything like that. But keep pouring it in. I want to make sure that it's not all the way to the top because you want to be able to shake it and mix it up. All right, so that's good. I'm basically gonna just shake it up until it's all mixed up together. So after it's all shook up, all you gotta do is pop the top, and this is what the consistency should look like. It should have this watery kind of consistency, not too thick. So now that you got everything you need, this is the last thing you need. You need a card. Shout out to Tomb45, Sean Cuts Hair for these clutch kind of enhancements cards. I also like to use business cards. If you guys just got business cards laying around, these are perfect as well. With this one, this is perfect because when it comes to that corner, the box, you know, you could put it right then and there and spray it and get that real corner-like work. With the business cards, I like to do it on high tapers because it's just a straight down vertical bar. But then again, if you can get your hands on one of these are perfect because it also has that round edge to where you can work on the C-cut. So here's some tips that you could use as far as like spraying on the enhancements. So what you want to do is put the card on your client's head next to his lineup, and at an angle, spray your enhancements at an angle. This way, it fades on the hairline and it just doesn't leave it real gunky and clunked up. Like, it won't have this harsh line or block to it. It will actually fade in the back. So now that's out of the way, let's look at how I spray on enhancements, all right? I'm gonna give you guys the before and after, without enhancements and with enhancements. Let's go.
Where you get your beat? HustleDreamProduction.
guys, that is it, okay? Listen, it's safe to say that before, you know, ain't nothing wrong with before, but enhancements do enhance, and it really gives that client that next level cut, all right? Especially if you know how to use it. If you like this video, you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button, all right? Because there's more videos to come. I'm not stopping. To all my students out there, listen, relax. Relax for now, all right? It's some students out there that feel like, man, I ain't using enhancements, all right? I ain't using it. It's just they refuse to do it. But there's some of you students out there that's using enhancements, and you know dang well you put the gun down. You put the gun down. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace. Alright, you guys, so it's gonna be many of people that's not gonna see this, alright? This tip right here, get this product right here, alright? Boom. This right here is an AirBrush Cleaner, okay? Put it in, clean out your airbrush. This is like a paint thinner. It really just cleans everything out, alright? You don't wanna have that buildup with all that paint being in your gun. So this right here is a great fix to that. Do not use alcohol to clean your gun. Use this. Links will be in the description below. If you wasn't here to stay till the end, you don't know. And if you do, now you know. I'm out. Peace.